Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display total numbers of sold product and also show products sold 0 text in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. Now you see product. So we are going to show total sold product, also show 0 sold product with custom code. Now go to dashboard, scroll down on left side, you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see action, WooCommerce, after shop, loop item, and then you see total sold greater than or is equal to 0, and then you see text, total sold product. So you can add text according to your requirement, and then you see action, single product summary. Again you see greater than or equal to 0, and then you see text, total sold product. So you can add text according to your requirement. So this code also show 0 sold product. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. Now refresh the page. Now you see total sold product 18, and then you see total sold product 0. Now open both product. Now go to ceramic birds. Now you see total sold product 18. Go to another product. So this is our single product page. Now you see total sold product is equal to 0, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.